Welcome back. Feast of Holy Spirit Church, popularly known as the Purumentache Fest, was celebrated at Margao on Sunday. Thousands of faithful attended religious services at the Holy Spirit Church. People rushed to the fair to buy essential items as provisions for the monsoon. Feast witnessed unprecedented rush to buy dry fish and pottery.
लोक सगळ्या टाइम गेला नुस्तें मेळटा पयलीं तेंपा नुस्तें मेळनासलें लोक कोण भोगतालो आनी ते पावस बरो येतालो आतां कितें जाता सदांच गेला नुस्तें मेळटा ताका लागून लोक तितले हायना
रेट आमी 400 आगडी म्हाका 400 रुपयान दिता कित्याक फेस्ताचे फाटीन सोय मुसाक सारके
बांगडे तुगे भाशेन बाळे तुगे भाशेन सोलोये पार करपाक आनी सगळीं सुंगटां बिंगटां सगळीं
सगळो पुरमेंत करपाक
हय सगळो पुरमेंत पासा जाय न्हू रे.
In an accident, a tanker lost control and turtled at Farmagudi bypass on Sunday. Loaded tanker was moving to Vasco. It was carrying liquid caustic soda. The driver of the tanker jumped out of the vehicle when he realized that he lost control over the vehicle. He has received severe injuries and has been shifted to the GMC.
The incident occurred on Sunday morning at Farmagudi. The tanker was travelling from Mumbai to Vasco. Driver claimed that he lost control over the vehicle and it turtled. Driver Manohar Yadav, native of UP, jumped from the vehicle when he realized that it is out of control. Tanker was carrying liquid caustic soda. The liquid caustic soda is mostly consumed by chemical and metal industry. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Santa Cruz Education and Action Movement has opposed the proposed Hara housing project in the area. Villagers claim that the project is proposed in green eco-sensitive belt. They have also demanded that the permission by the Panchayat should be revoked. The members of the movement have also demanded thorough investigation as how the agricultural zone was converted into a commercial one.
The status as of today is that the Panchayat has already granted them renewal of license. When I questioned them on what basis the renewal of license was given, they could not furnish the documents. The documents are still not found. The documents available at the Panchayat are incomplete. They are telling me that because I've got this under RTI, I've got the information under RTI, I've asked for their entire file. The Sarpanch told me that there is some files which are left with the advocate. So I told him, I said, how come you gave the renewal of license when the file is not complete, when you do not know? How can you convince the other punches that this project has to go forward?
Don't want this project unless and until there is all the documents are shown properly. And the villagers of Santa Cruz will strictly, we are going to sleep on the road, we are going to close the road. This is my message even to the CM.
व्हडलो डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह प्रोजेक्ट आमच्या माथ्यार हाडून दवरला तुमी. जेन्ना हे रिन्यूवल म्हणून हाराचें येयलें ते एजेंडार हांवें वाचलें, म्हाका स्ट्रायक जालें. हो हारा प्रोजेक्ट परतो येयलो कसो काय म्हाका कांयच कळना जालें. तेन्ना हांवें हारा प्रोजेक्ट हाडना फुडें हांवें म्हाजें ऑब्जेक्शन घातलें. कित्याक हांव जाणा, हांव पयलीं मेंबर आसलेलो, हांव जाणा आसलेलो हितून कितें तरी गडबड आहा. पूण हांवें सांगलें कितें तेका, हांव हाराचो कोणाचो दुस्मान न्हू, म्हाका कांय ना. हारा तेणें घेतला, अवश्य घेतला, ते कोणेंय घेवं येता, पूण ते आसा त्या जाग्यार तेणें मीठ काडचें नाल्यार शेतां रोवचीं. ते दुसऱ्यान तुजें कंस्ट्रक्शन हांगा घेवंक जायना.
Water bodies are going to be destroyed. There are two water bodies, big water bodies. You can see them now. I'll show you. Then there is the agricultural fields are there. Then salt pans are there, and you see this is the place here. This place actually is a sink for the way water coming from Panjim, excess water from Panjim comes into this area during the monsoon time.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.